Cardano family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy Tuesday wherever you are around the world. We're looking at a nice bounce today for the broader market. Bitcoin was able to reclaim back above $111,000, which of course is nice to see. Obviously not where we want to see the price of Bitcoin at. We still need to, wait for our confirmation, but it was a great day because of course we did come out of the long weekend. Markets were closed, but so far so good. Liking what I'm seeing here across the board right now. We're seeing the broader market up, which is always a nice thing to see. ADA is up 5% as of recording this update, with the price making its way back above 83 cents to be exact, 83.4 cents as of recording this update for you guys. We're also up about 2.7% in Bitcoin comparative valuation, $30.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 1.5 billion. So, pretty much the beauty of doing day-to-day analysis, we can kind of differentiate what's going on. And one thing I want you guys to take away from these updates is, how we have constantly seen Cardano, maintain its 24-hour trading volume above $1 billion. And that's a big thing that we don't want to be ignoring. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So starting off with the dominance index, we're actually seeing the dominance index, moving towards the upside. You can see this for yourself. We actually pushed up to 58.84%, retesting August 25th wick that we did see for ourselves. Even though Bitcoin broke out, you still saw the dominance actually push up. But since we actually retested the 58.85%, you can see we have seen a little bit of downside. We don't want to see the dominance obviously moving up to the likes of 59 to obviously 60%, but we do have come a long way where we really want to be. Obviously a little bit of a bounce for the dominance. Again, we don't really want to see this happening, but in the grand scheme of things, we're still sitting at about 58.6%, which is much lower than where we were just in July. So that's that. But if you're looking at the Bitcoin price, like I said, Bitcoin actually saw a nice bounce. We're currently sitting at 111,000 as of recording this update, but we waked up to 111,828, just below the 112,000 key range resistance, which of course was a major support for us as well. But as of now, the 23.6 might have been, again, obviously, in terms of a confirmation, that's 115K for myself. Everyone has different ways of looking at the market. But, the 23.6 fib zone could potentially have been the bottom for this retracement. And this retracement was quite a sharp retracement from the $125,000 all-time high. We did see quite a sharp pullback. But as of now, we have seen, this support play out for us. So obviously, we've spoken about this support several different times. We have seen a bounce, but we still need to look for confirmation. But if you're looking at ADA, ADA's price, like I said to you guys in my last update, we're still in this upward trajectory. And a lot of people overlook that. When you're analyzing the charts of ADA or any coin and you're kind of wanting to see the overall momentum, you want to look for trends, right? And, I've indicated this to you guys in my last few updates. Cardano is in this upward trajectory, and so higher high, higher lows, and nothing has been invalidated. And I think this breakout is going to be imminent based off of what we're seeing right now. But right now, as of recording this update, of course, I don't want you guys to neglect this pattern. So as far as the pattern is concerned, we need to keep that into mind, number one. Number two is, we need to be looking out for this 85.6 cents key resistance to turn into support. Extremely important. Extremely, extremely important. We broke below it just about 2 days back. But that itself is only a move of about 2.6%. So it's nothing crazy. This move itself, the one that we're talking about, the target constantly, it's not a major move. Turning this into support would really mean that, we're back to where we really need to be. And I could start projecting the price to retest 90 cents and start heading back up to the dollar price point. And I think ADA will shock a lot of people as far as the recovery is concerned. Because, we're coming out of major volatility, but yet you're still seeing the upwards trajectory not invalidated. I think, even the month of September is going to be a good month. I think we're going to end off on a positive note. And of course, quarter four, I think is going to be really exciting for the crypto space. So we're going to take it one step at a time, of course. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Where do you see the price of Cardano going? Thank you for all your support, and I'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.